Hi viewers, welcome to the show. Today in chemistry we are going to be looking at hydrocarbon, a subtopic under organic chemistry. You understand, that's what we are going to be looking at. And in hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon means the compound that contains hydrogen and carbon. So that is the only two elements it contains. It contains carbon and hydrogen, and that's what we call it. Why we call it hydrocarbon. Now, if you look at this question, you are asked to calculate the relative molecular mass of the sixth carbon member of alkyne. Don't forget that this surface is what is important, and you know that whenever you come across this surface, it means triple bond. So, in other words, the formula for triple bond, that is alkyne is CnH2n. That is the molecular formula of this group, which is alkyne. Now, let's check. Since we have been told that we should find the sixth carbon member, that means N will be equals to 6, because this particular member, that is the unsaturated hydrocarbon, they don't have the first carbon member. That is, they don't have methane, they don't have mets. You understand? So it starts from the second carbon. So in other words, we don't say it starts from second carbon. We are still going to start from the second carbon. That means their own first carbon will start from second carbon, because they don't have the first family, which is carbon 1. Now, in other words, let's substitute our N into the formula. N equals to 6, because we were asked to find the sixth carbon member. If N is equals to 6, so then we are going to have 6 over here, triple bond. You can't put hydrogen here, and if you don't have more than one carbon, so definitely they don't have the first family member bearing methane or methane. Now, that means the first member of the family is ethane, which is C2H4. Then this is the first now. The second is C3H6. The third is C4H8. You are multiplying, that is, we are doubling the number of N here. That is the number of carbon. So the next, that's the fourth now, will be C5H10, isn't it? C6H12. Then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth carbon. Now the sixth carbon member will now be 6,7,8,14. So now, to calculate the relative molecular mass of this carbon now, which is what? Heptane. Now we are going to have 7 times 12, because the molar mass of carbon is 12. Then hydrogen, the molar mass of hydrogen is 14, so that we are going to have 1 times 14. So 7 times 12. If you are multiplying 7 by 12, multiply 7 by 10, it will give you 70. Then 7 times 2 will give you 14. 14 plus 70 will be 84. So that is 84 plus 14 times 1 will give us what? 14. So what will be our answer? 80 plus 10 will give us 90. Then 90 plus 8 will give us 98. So the relative molecular mass of the compound is 98 grams per mole. That's the first problem. Solution to the first problem. The second problem is I gave this structure few months ago, and up till now have not found anybody to name the compound, which is this. I know it looks scary somehow, isn't it? But let me tell you that it is very simple to name. Now, what you are going to do here is forget about this ring. It is still double. It will form double bond, isn't it? So we can write it as this: H2C CH and CH3. It is the same thing. You can as well do it as this. CH and CH3. The same thing. The reason why I made this to be like this is to make it look scary to you, so that you'll be scared that what kind of structure is this. But mind you, it is still alkane family. So now in naming this, you can start from the first carbon, since it is having the double bond, which is the alkane family. That is double bond. Now if you have the first carbon is having the double bond, that is 1N. Now the longest chain is 3, that is propane. Now instead of writing propane, we are dealing with alkane, so it will be propane. Now 1, 2, 3, that is pro, because the double bond is at the first carbon, that is propane 1N, prop 1N, which is the same thing as propane. So that is the name to this structure. You see now that it is very simple. That's great. Have a nice day. Join me next time.